that.
He smoked them.
So boom, if pressing a button meant you was gonna get $5 million. Listen to me. Pressing a button mean you gonna get $5 million. But 5 people somewhere in the world gonna die also from you pressing that goddamn button. Are you willing to? Would you press that button?
What I'm getting for pressing the button? What the button do?
Alright. If pressing a button meant that you would receive $5 million, but 5 people somewhere in this world would die, would you press the button?
Nah, I ain't gonna press it. I might as well give me a record contract, nigga. You heard?
Okay. Good. Okay.
And why my button ain't working?
Are you pushing the button right now?
Hey, let me check my bank account.
Now you done pushed that motherfucker too many times. You disqualified. They ain't give you all them $5 millions.
That nigga done killed the whole city, you heard?
That nigga done wiped the world out. He got all the money. Nobody. Well,
I can't switch my shit on. Sure, I ain't press this shit out that button, nigga. You know how many goddamn people goddamn cigarettes kill a day? Man, I can't time flip my camera over, man.
So out of words, my nigga pushing that goddamn button. Nigga, push the goddamn button.
Hey, I hope I don't motherfucking.
You better hope it ain't no shit close to you, nigga.
Nah, I'm trying to goddamn send the camera back around.
Hey, my man in the comments, DS1 Ross say, I'm gonna press it at least once. You know what I'm saying? Hey, my nigga O start making beats. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, O broke the button how quick he pressed that bitch here.
Nigga, I broke the button on my phone for real, nigga.
Go, that nigga started pushing the button. They dying by the five.
They ain't tell you
know
who
what
it was though. What if it's somebody that's close to you that end up?
Oh no! Oh yeah! Don't worry. It's more to that question.
I knew that was
There's
coming.
so many pieces to it. I ain't want to just act it all at once. It's too much to digest at one time. You know what I'm saying? But it's all pent in the comments though. The whole question pent in the comments. You know what I'm saying?
Oh no, I probably wouldn't press it because I probably feel like it's some type of trick to it, or I don't know if I want that on my conscience.
No, he telling you ain't no trick.
I don't want that on my conscience.
No, it ain't no trick. It ain't no
the
trick.
Only trick is 5 people gonna die.
5 people gonna die. That's it.
No, I ain't with that.
Nigga, I'm on my old dog shit. No, who said that shit? Hey man, people die every day, B.
That nigga said, man, it's gonna be. I ain't killing no kid. That nigga said, I ain't killing no old people and no kids. Man, who the fuck old gonna be out there? You know
I broke the button for real, man.
See, you broke the goddamn button and ain't no money coming.
There we go.
That karma work right there. He said he.
There we go. There we go. I'm back. That's like that nigga could be hitting me up like, oh, where the hell you was shit in Jamaica? They like, where you get that butter from? I ain't none. Sometimes you can get shit at the press of a button.
See, hey, I knew it was something coming like that, man. That was such a button away, G.
One thing about I'm pressing the issue, you feel me?
Alright, so boom. What if it's gonna be 5 people you know?
Hey, we all got 5 people we can get rid of, man. That we know this like
God damn.
Man.
That nigga ain't even got no drink in him. That nigga cold, man.
How much money we talking here? How much money?
Well, it's the same amount of money. The figure didn't change. It's $5 million. You know?
Oh, $5 million?
$5 million.
$5 million?
$5 million, dog. 5 people you know getting up out of it.
I'm pressing that bitch, boy.
That nigga about to break the button again. Damn, everybody. God damn.
Hey, cause look, put it this way. It's like Martin Luther King, or it's a martyr. He was martyrs for the family. Now they got a family eating. Bless their heart. You feel me?
God.
Take care of their peoples though.
Huh?
Is you gonna take
I don't gotta take care of their people. They was
you
my
already
people.
know that nigga take the business from a nigga and the nigga go to jail. And that nigga get that nigga $1,000.
Hey, Mike, you heard me. But you heard me. Hey, but you heard me. I said, oh, gotta take care of their people. You know why? Because they was my peoples. I'm taking care of that. Hey, look. Hey, they people's taking care of. You know why? Because I'm the people.
I see. See, when he said was, I heard him reference his family as past tense. But I understand now. He referencing himself. He is their people. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga, I put Bush to shame, nigga. I'm telling you.
Oh yeah.
Nigga, Trump ain't go. He can't press the button quicker than I can. First, I'm gonna do it like this. At first, it'll be like, oh shit, my bad. But they gonna know I did it on purpose. Like I did that bitch 3 more times. Nigga, family be ancient history.
It'd be 15 up.
How much money I made? They like 100 million.
Be a rich ass last name.
Yeah, I wouldn't know.
It'd be lonely at the top, man.
Look,
once
you know what I'm gonna say, y'all?
You know what's up?
Hey, hell no, it ain't lonely at the top, nigga.
Now
I can break company. What the fuck are you
you
talking
gonna
about?
break some motherfuckers with you. You just, but.
What you talking about? I can break company, man. What you talking about? It ain't like I'm gonna be lost and y'all ain't gonna know I pressed the button and they died. You real? Y'all gonna be like,
oh, so it's like that Eskimo hoe. You ain't lost in that well.
They gonna be like, I'm like, no, they be like, God, how you get rich like that? Oh, I said, man, I don't know, man.
You ran around here pushing the buttons and shit.
Look, we went on a family trip. I sued the airplane company. I pressed the button on the airplane.
So my nigga hit, man. My nigga hit.
Hey, look at Diddy.
What's up, Diddy? What's up, Diddy? A little force of reason, man. What you got for him, Diddy?
He just lost it, bro.
Oh, you ain't pressing the button, didn't you?
That's right.
I did it.
No.
What about you, bro?
Unless I get to choose people.
No, nigga. Now he get to choose who he press the button
Hold on, Diddy. You said unless you
get to choose to be lost in it.
You get to choose who the 5 is, right?
If it's 5 people, it's somebody you really love. You feel what I'm saying?
He's secretly lost in it.
No, hell no.
That was a classic answer. It's if I get to choose who the 5 is. You know what I'm saying? I get to pick who the 5 is.
You just said 5 people go.
You don't get to pick.
If it's 5 random people, it could be your fucking brother. It could be your aunt. It could be your mama. You feel what I'm saying? Hell no, I ain't doing that. But if I get to choose, I might think about it. You feel what I'm saying?
But it could be my cousin that stole that $20 from me the other day. I hope his ass died of ma.
Okay, but
I know you
could choose
ass
and you'll
nigga.
write him. You could choose and you'll write him.
I'm fucking with you. I'm joking. Hey, I'm joking, man. I'm joking. I'm just joking, man. I'm just joking.
Man, you know how many $20 because you gonna get again? Damn, man, that nigga gonna live once.
It was a blunt. It was worth $15 though. He stole it. No, I'm fucking with you. Let me stop playing. I'm joking. I'm just, these all jokes.
What up? What's up, though, Pressure?
What's up? What was your answer to that? What was your answer, P?
Yeah, I ain't fucking around with it. I ain't fucking with it.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna hold you, man. I ain't pushing no goddamn button to kill no people for no money, man. I don't care about like people life, you know. But it's funny. Huh?
You rather kill him the old-fashioned way?
How would you suggest that? I mean, what do you mean by that?
By selling these detrimental products to them.
Hell no, I don't sell them anything. I sit and have conversations with them. I sit and have conversations with them. Hell no, I retired a minute ago. My jersey hanging in the rack. When you go in the building, when you walk in the arena, you just look up and you just read my shit on the rafters. I'm done. That shit over with.
Oh.